Hey friends, you made it! Welcome to Station 8. We're so excited to have you here today, and we can't wait to show you our firehouse, but you better get moving soon because a call may come in. Are you ready to come inside? Awesome! All right, let's go! So friends, this is a fire truck. Firefighters, we use fire trucks to get us to emergency calls and to carry a ton of water, 750 gallons of water to put out really big fires. Whoa! And we use fire trucks to carry all of our tools. Matter of fact, I want to show you my favorite tools. This is what we call the irons. This is an axe, and this is a halligan. One tool, two tools. We use the irons to get into buildings in a fire. Pretty cool, right? And over here, we have firefighter gear. This is the gear that firefighters wear so we can do our job. We call this turnout gear. Can you say turnout gear? Good job! Do you guys want to see me put on turnout gear? Yes! All right, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. What do you guys think? Do I look really cool? Thanks! Well, we're not done yet. I still have a lot to show you, but first, I gotta take this off. So I'm gonna need a minute. I'm ready to go. Time to finish our firehouse tour. So, like I said before, we have many different tools in many different places. Like this tool, this is our fire hook. We use fire hooks so we can bring down the ceiling for any fire. And, oh, come check this out. This here is probably our most important tool. This is our fire hose and our fire nozzle. We use this to put water on the fire. Pretty cool, right? And, this here, this is called a ladder. These ladders to climb really high up so we get into places like windows to rescue people and animals. Ladders are really important. And, come this way. Here we have fire extinguishers. We use fire extinguishers to put out small fires, like in kitchen fires. Hey Felix!
Hey, what are you doing here?
Hey friends, this is Felix.
Hi guys.
Felix, do you think you can show our friends more about the fire truck?
Of course. Come with me, pals. All right. On this side of the truck is my favorite part. This is the pump panel. This is where we direct all the water. We tell the water where to go in, where to come out, and what to do with it. So these lines control the colored hoses, as you can see. And then we have all this stuff down here. We have a bunch of discharges here that we can use to clear water that's stuck. And then all the way up here, we got a whole mess of hoses that we can use to fight fires with, and also a train. These steps are very cool because if we use them, I can go all the way up and get any tools I need or check to make sure that the truck has water. Remember, you always have to have 3 points of contact to make sure you don't fall down. And this part, this is where the magic really happens. This is where we drive. And today, I'm the driver. So nice. We have a bunch of buttons. We have buttons here that turn the truck on, buttons that turn the truck off. We have lights that we can turn on and off. We have a radio. Over. This, we need this. If we don't use this, then we can't get in and out of the door. We have stickers that we give away. Very cool. And just anything else that we might need. It's very cozy in here. I really like it. All right, friends. Are you ready to see the rest of the house? Great, let's go. And this is our day room. This is where Johnny writes his reports.
Hey, Lieutenant Johnny, how's it going? Hi, Felix. Hi, everyone. I'm just here documenting, writing reports, keeping track of what we do so we can learn lessons to improve our skills and service to keep everyone safe. Come on, let's go check out our room. This is our pool table. So we play, hang out, we also hang out in here. This is our lockers where we keep our personal gear. Just in case, we get dirty at a call or something, we want to change. We have extra clothes here. Now, let's go check out our most popular room. Ooh, what is that smell? Gene, what are you cooking? You're gonna love it. Oh, hi everyone. I'm making some spaghetti with meatballs. Smells good. In the Firehouse, we make all our own meals because nutrition, it's important. But just like in your home, we have a stove and we have things like a fridge too. Yeah. But we also have things like a kitchen table. This is where we have all of our meals together. This is where we bond. This is where we have stories and stuff. And, this is where we get together and talk and, pretty much bond like a family and eat together. But also we sit down here and we have downtime and we watch TV and we watch Station 8. Look, it's us, that's me. Let's go upstairs while I show you where we burn all those calories we just ate. Come on. Well, this is our gym area. This is the place where I told you guys we burn all those calories we just ate. Good job, Johnny. Well, how many of these do you think I can do? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you guys hear that? Oh, that's a call coming in. Whoa, we gotta go. Well, thank you guys for coming. You guys are welcome to come back anytime you want. See ya. Bye.